find somewhere to put you guys. Hold on. There we go. Hey everyone, good morning. It is about 9:30. That's Georgie crying. 9:30 on a Thursday. I'm getting ready to go to New York. I'm just about done getting ready, but my contacts are hurting, so I'm taking them out. George is in his crate crying because he hears that I'm up and moving around and he's ready to go. I'm taking him with me because the doggy daycare I usually drop him off at here in Philly is booked today. So there's no availability. So he's got to come with me. And there is a different doggy daycare in New York that I usually take him to if he has to come with me, because they don't do reservations. It's just as long as you're here before 12 o'clock, you can drop off. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get some earrings and let's go. Okay. I just moved into a new apartment, so my place is a mess. As I'm assembling furniture and whatnot. Where are the lights? Yeah, it's messy. Let's go check on George. Oh no. Oh no. Why did you do that? BRB. Georgie, why'd you do that? Why did you have that accident? Tell the people. Don't believe him. It is not always sunny in Philadelphia, it turns out. In fact, it is quite rainy today. You can't even see. This is actually a really tall building. I know that the Four Seasons is in it, but that's not what it's called. I keep calling it the Four Seasons, but it's some sort of like, I think it's the tallest building in Philly. Can't even see the top today. So I'm wearing a raincoat. I have a lot of walking around to do today. So this is my outfit. I am going to see a potential new childcare location. It's our goal to expand a lot, honestly, this by the end of this year, and I'll explain that more probably at a later point in this very video, or maybe a whole new video. But we're looking at so many opportunities for expansion right now, and different potential properties. So that's what I'm headed to New York to go do today. And Georgie, you're coming with me. Let's go. I forgot to mention that I have a call with my broker and a potential seller of a whole operating childcare business that we're interested in purchasing in the next 10 minutes. So as I'm driving, I'm going to be talking to that seller and our broker, negotiating the terms. Or just honestly not even negotiating, because there's not much that I know just yet about what their terms are. So I'll take that call as I'm driving, then drop off George once I get to New York in the next 2 hours, hopefully, before their cutoff time. And then I'm going to probably stop by one of my centers and meet with Gigi, our operations manager / enrollment specialist, for a couple hours. And then I'm going to go see the potential location that we would like to lease and expand into. Then who knows? So follow along with me today. All right, I just got to New York. I just dropped off Georgie to his doggy daycare, and he threw up in the car. So today is not a good day for Georgie. I swear he doesn't usually have like accidents in his crate like he did this morning. He doesn't usually throw up on car rides. He's actually really good about car rides because he often comes with me from New York to Philly and Philly to New York all the time. But we haven't taken that trip together in a while, so I don't know. But just dropped him off. The conversation about listening to what the sellers of the business that I was saying before I had that call, it was about an hour, and it was really good. It seems like a good opportunity, but there's just a lot to digest of what they offer, the services they provide, the programs that they have that like we don't currently do. And it's a matter of like, do we want to buy into something like that and continue doing that the way that they run their business, or would we want to change it? There's a lot that has to be considered. So if you're interested in learning about like what you should consider when purchasing someone else's childcare business, definitely leave a comment below. Let me know if you'd like me to make a video specifically about those types of considerations. Now I am headed to our third center-based location where Gigi is. I'll probably stop at Chick-fil-A, maybe treat that staff to some Chick-fil-A. Is it just me? Like, I hate going into a place with food and not having food for everyone. If I'm not gonna bring food for everyone, I'm just not gonna bring food, you know? So I'll probably pick up some food for everyone if they would like it, and meet with Gigi for about an hour or so before it's time to go see the property that is available where we could potentially expand into. So let's go. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi! Oh, you remembered to film this process? Guys, you're lucky she remembered. And this one's different from Long Island, so definitely going to be some new things, right?
Right.
What up, Jay?
Yeah. You got it. Okay.
Yeah, so I have to tell you that you rock today.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, they were very happy.
Okay.
They were very happy with,
Okay, we're doing these two.
yes.
Okay.
Then, let's go.
It's not even gone. It's cool. Yeah.
Area, but he will be bigger.
Okay, so that's his property as well?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And this will go upstairs. That is going upstairs enough. We're going downstairs all the way.
Okay.
Smile.
Hi.
Yeah, I am glad that I didn't put. I noticed when they sent the pictures that I didn't put dates on the flyers. I didn't put any diversity on the flyers either.
But it's summary where there's a kid in the glasses, so that'll do.
What are you talking about?
The flyer. The flyer for the marketing.
The long one?
Yeah. It doesn't have. One of them doesn't have anything on it, and the other one don't need much. A little section with the
Right.
TV, the desk, computer. Don't need a lot of space for that. It's just the staff bathroom will be that back bathroom.
Well, both of them would have to be staff bathrooms. Because technically I think they would technically be considered two different licenses because they're two different addresses. Each storefront is its own address.
So
I know for sure if we were going to do infants and toddlers, and then preschool, it would have to be 2 separate licenses because the city does, again, with the differences, they can't be on the same license. They're 2 different permitting processes. I'm at the center now to write a check for an employee. I love the fact that we have vending machines now in our centers. Love that for us. And water and a Coke for the road. I got questions about whether or not we have a kitchen. This is usually the extent of our kitchen at our facilities. We don't have an oven or a stove, just an industrial like kitchen sink and a place to heat up food. Our food is catered and delivered fresh every day. All right, are you gonna be good?
Somebody who will sit here till 8 o'clock.